ready to dominate your competition with a revolutionary strategy. Introducing the 24-hour ranking system. This isn't just a product, it's your ticket to skyrocketing your online presence and earning more passive income than ever before. Are you tired of spending hours, days, even weeks trying to rank high on Google Ads and YouTube? Frustrated with the constant struggle to stay ahead of your competition? The 24-hour ranking system is here to change all that. It's not just about ranking, it's about consistently staying on top. We're talking first, second, third, and fourth rankings. But the 24-hour ranking system offers more than just high rankings. It's your gateway to dominating your competition. Imagine being the first name that pops up when potential customers search for your product. Imagine seeing your business grow exponentially as a result of increased visibility and reach. That's the power of the 24-hour ranking system. This is your opportunity to finally make more money with passive income, to finally achieve financial freedom, to finally live the life you've always wanted. But don't just take our word for it. Try it for yourself. And we're making it even easier for you to get started with our free course. Yes, you heard it right. We're offering a free course that'll guide you step by step on how to use the 24-hour ranking system to its full potential. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link now and start your journey to dominate Google and YouTube rankings. Take the first step towards a more profitable future with the 24-hour ranking system. Remember, success is just a click away. Go to www.success38.com. Hit the subscribe button for more tips.